Welcome to the world of the best. Welcome to the Royal League. Set forth with us on a fantastic voyage and discover the entire world of ventilation, control technology, drive technology and automotive engineering of Ziehl Abegg, and a unique product portfolio with unlimited application spectrum for the entire world. Directly at the headquarters of Ziehl Abegg in Kunzelsau, Baden-Württemberg is the visionary technology center Invent, with the one-of-a-kind and biggest test stand for fans in the world. The spectacular spacious building, the ventilation and noise test stand, mounted with its 1,250 tons of heavy container only on powerful springs to reduce vibrations and outside noise during the sensitive noise measurements of the ventilators. You can only hear your own heart pounding here. The test stand methods are certified and assure the highest quality standards. Volume flow of up to 100,000 cubic meters of air per hour and pressure of over 3,000 Pascal is generated with a 325-ton measurement unit. Ziehl Abegg, a special brand. We call it Blue Gold from Kunzelsau. You will find pure innovation, or rather a new dimension of a diversified offering of the most modern ventilation and drive technology at Ziehl Abegg. They call it Feel the Future. The basic principle for the products has always been clearly defined here. Sustainable, bionic, highly efficient and extremely light. The premium efficiency products, Blue Technology. The Development and Competency Center of Invent is the heart of Ziehl Abegg. Here, more than 300 highly qualified engineers and technicians develop high-tech products with the quality seal and the claim of being the Royal League. This is the source of revolutionary developments, futuristic technologies and unique discoveries. Only a few kilometers from the Kunzelsau headquarters stands one of our biggest production plants in Beringen. Every week, 100 tons of aluminum ingots are melted, only to leave the factory again as fans. The world's biggest fan of 1 meter diameter is cast from a single piece of aluminum here, and this is also the birthplace of the one-of-a-kind bionic FA2 owlet, whose blade design follows the principle of an owl's wing and thereby provides tremendous efficiency results. Every year, around 1 million fans are produced here and delivered complete with motor, control unit and protective grille. The production of motors has a long tradition at Ziehl Abegg. Even today, the external rotor principle developed by Emil Ziehl more than 100 years ago is used worldwide for AC motor technology. Also the Royal League of 8A motors, the energy-saving 8A Blue motor of Ziehl Abegg, manufactured in one of the most modern production and winding facilities, stands in the forefront of the world market for power, performance and efficiency. The high-tech production facility, located directly on Highway A6 Kupferzell exit, is impressive for its blue appearance and an extraordinary design. One really has to visit it. No problem. In the so-called ZA Tower on the 5th floor is the Daisy restaurant, which you reach by a stylish glass elevator. An attractive locale. One dines in an extraordinary setting while enjoying a unique panoramic view. This is a meeting place for business people, Ziehl Abegg employees, or simply those who enjoy a good meal. You hardly suspect that behind this futuristic design lies one of the most modern drive system productions. Around the world, The drive units have opened new ways for improved power transmission in elevators. The Royal League of Drive Technology is blue, strong, reliable, and efficient. In combination with the excellent control technology naturally developed precisely in-house, the motors are unbeatable. But the high-tech drive units also provide sophisticated and reliable performance for use in ultra-modern medical, testing and scanning uses, and many other applications. The same is true of the automotive sector. With the gearless electric in-wheel hub-drive Zeta wheel, the revolution in futuristic, sustainable drive performance is reaching the road. Finally, clean and noise-reduced through the city with 0% emissions, 90% efficiency and 90% noise reduction. In the modern office building at Kupferzell is also the headquarters of the excellent service team of Ziehl Abegg. This is the center worldwide for competent assistance with technical questions. The product world of Ziehl Abegg offers its customers an inexhaustible realm of ventilation highlights. Also process air fans with incomparable efficiency. After careful final approval in the test chamber, the high-tech ventilators can go out to the customer. At the radio plant of Ziehl Abegg in Kupferzell, stretching for more than 15,000 square meters, new standards are being set with the highest of grades for radial fans. Here, blue gold comes together in the form of a highly developed composite material known as Zetamid technology to become the hardest steel and highly efficient high-class fan C Pro Zetamid. Around the world, the blue fans in concert with the 8C blue motor technology are unbeatable for performance and efficiency. For the high-efficiency fans, Ziehl Abegg constructs high-precision tooling, mostly at its own factory. In the shipping department, the finished Ziehl Abegg products then wait to go out. Everything is 100% coordinated. Then, the journey with the blue technology of Ziehl Abegg sets forth and goes around the world. The blue gold from Künzelsau. As a global player, Ziehl Abegg is represented by more than 30 locations around the globe. In order to make just-in-time deliveries to customers worldwide, we have created the most modern of production facilities and a tight network of dealers around the world. As a cosmopolitan company, our employees are at home around the world each day and provide the utmost performance for blue technology, which moves the world. Our shared goal, we make the world a bit more blue, is a philosophy which we live by each day. Ziehl Abegg, the Royal League.